Hello, my beautiful blossoms. It's Lily here from Inspirational Flower, your sanctuary of wisdom, love, and the enchanting world of nature. Before we dive into today's story, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our blooming community. Let's grow together, shall we? Today, I want to share with you a tale of love and unity, a tale that unfolds under the shelter of an umbrella plant. Picture this, a quaint little town, nestled between rolling hills and a sparkling river, where the air is always filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers. In this town, there lived two young hearts, as different as the sun and the moon, yet drawn to each other like bees to nectar. The first was a young woman named Rose, as radiant and vibrant as the flower she was named after. The other was a young man named Thorn, a bit rough around the edges but with a heart as pure as a dewdrop. Their paths crossed under the shelter of an umbrella plant, a symbol of unity and protection in their town. The umbrella plant, with its wide, sheltering leaves and delicate white blooms, was a sanctuary for these two hearts. Under its shade, they shared whispers of dreams, laughter, and eventually, confessions of love. The plant bore witness to their blossoming relationship, providing a safe haven for their infatuation to bloom into a deep, enduring love. But as in any story, there were trials to face. Thorn was called away to a distant land, leaving Rose under the protective umbrella of their beloved plant. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months. But Rose, like the resilient umbrella plant, stood strong, her love for Thorn unwavering. When Thorn finally returned, it was under the same umbrella plant that they reunited. Their love, tested by time and distance, had only grown stronger, much like the plant that had sheltered their love story. The umbrella plant, in its silent wisdom, had taught them about unity, resilience, and the power of enduring love. So, my beautiful blossoms, let's take a leaf from the umbrella plant's book. Let's stand strong in the face of adversity, let's shelter those we love, and let's bloom with resilience and unity. That's all for today's tale, my dear blossoms. I hope it brought a smile to your face and warmth to your heart. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's continue to bloom together. Until next time, remember, every petal tells a story and every bloom inspires. This is Lily from Inspirational Flower signing off. Stay blooming,